Hey crafty babes, it's Andrea. Happy January. I am so excited that it is 2018. It's a brand new year and we have a brand new kit from Elle's studio that I am going to show you. There's a lot of things in this kit that are January related, like getting a fresh start, but there's also some things that'll help you go into February and document the things and people that you love. There is the exclusive monthly kit that I'm going to show you, plus extras, as well as a little mini collection that is coming out. I can't wait to show you. So let's take a look inside. I always love to start with the die cuts because I feel like they represent the kit so well. We've got some hearts and flags and tabs and circles and all kinds of fun shapes. And the colors this month are so much fun. I love the navy and the purple together with the addition of this green color. It's like a Kelly green and it's just super pretty. And then throw in a little bit of red and it is just adorable. I love that there's so many things here that are for both January and like Valentine's Day or something like that. There's XO and meant to be and always my forever, but then there's things like slow down and enjoy life and just to start and dreams come true and just different kinds of sentiments that always make documenting just super, super easy with the Elle Studio kits. So those are the die cuts, and remember, they just punch right out. So you can leave them like this or you can punch them all out and keep them in a little bin, whatever you like to do. And then the other stuff that comes in the monthly kit are the cards. So these little snippets here are extras. I just am keeping them here because they're super cute and I'll talk about them in a sec. All right, so here let's start with the 4x6 cards. This card is super cute. And look at all of this lovely purple. I love that there's two shades of purple and it gives you a little area here for a title or a date. You could use the Stanley Jr. alphas here or the numbers. You can use the dated stamp. There's a lot of options with that card. This is probably my favorite because I love this cute mint green color. It's just so gorgeous. And then I love how there's some different hearts and they're layered and some are outlined. And I love actually the outline of these little squares here that have the little edges chopped off. It's just super cute. They look like big giant labels. So yummy. And then this beautiful polka dot card. It just has all of the colors. Pink and the two shades of green. It's got a nice gray and a red. Super fun. Okay, let's go through the 3x4 cards. We've got some blue and mint stripes, purple, mint, and gray grid paper. Oh my goodness, that's adorable. Kind heart. Loving that typewriter font. Got a couple of hearts here in the red and the two shades of pink. Gosh, that's just so fun. I love it. And you know what? This gray for the month, it's got some brown to it, which is really fun. It's just a different shade than they've used before. So noteworthy. There's some room for journaling. This cute card for it could be used either way. Journaling, maybe a little photo or some embellishing there. Goals, 1, 2, 3. This is us. That is so cute. You could put your names down here. Maybe you could stamp the date. There's lots of possibilities there too. Oh, the multi-stripe. Love the multi-stripe. And there's just this little hand-drawn pattern with some lines. Date night in that cute brownish gray. One of my favorite things about you. XOXO with some hearts. The same style with that label, but in the green. Just one of those days. Here's what happened. Some fun arrows and a place for journaling in that gorgeous purple. So the die cuts and the cards are what come in the monthly kit, and that on the first day is always $9.99. It's also always $9.99 if you are a subscriber. So if you don't want to ever miss out and you want to lock in that $9.99 price and you're buying these kits every month anyway, just subscribe. That way you lock in your kit, you lock in your price, and you just have your kit every single month. So that's a really cool option. Otherwise, it goes to $11.99 after the first day. So here are some of the fun extras. We have the little snippets labels, and they have hearts, and some are vertical and some are horizontal. There's also this pack of adorable acrylic hearts, and they are all open hearts, and they're all just a little bit different, but it's the famous Elle Studio hand-drawn hearts. There'll be some wood veneer as well. So we have these really cute tags. So there's some different hearts, I love you, a diagonal stripe, my fave, and then XOXO. This one here is You Are Loved. Isn't that so adorable? I love how it's got the arrow and it's just all one piece. And some of the other extras that you'll find in the shop are these alpha stickers. So they're coming in all the colors of this kit. So we have purple and a green and a white with black letters, pink, black with white letters, and a navy. So those are going to be super fun. You got to check those out. Don't forget that there's also a printable that you can purchase. It has several cards that match the color scheme, and this is always just a nice addition. There's always different cards and then always a little embellishment. So here it's going to be some of the labels. There will also be a really fun little mini collection called XOXO, and it's going to have this really fun 6x6 paper pack. So these, oh my goodness, look at how cute these are. I'm gonna flip them. Oh, you know what? They're not, they're only single-sided, but there's 2 of each sheet. All right, so we've got some gray, this cute grid with these little hearts, XO, a multicolored diagonal stripe, this cute green pattern, purple hearts, green hearts, this gorgeous funky little red stripe. Oh, it's like a word search and it says love you. How cute. This really fun polka dot from the main kit, and then this really awesome multicolored page. So that is going to be a 6x6 paper pack. And to coordinate with that, there will be an XOXO stamp set. Look how fun that is. You can use this to make your own patterns. There's a love and a U in these different hearts. So you could do a solid in a light color and then outline it in black or a darker color. And there's this little pattern that we've been seeing throughout some of the cards, and these hand-drawn arrows, and of course, typewriter sentiments. So that's the stamp set. Then there's going to be Hugs and Kisses puffy stickers. Oh my gosh, these are super fun. I think my favorite part about these is the color blocking on some of these hearts. I think I'm gonna use those first. I don't hoard the things that I like the most. I use them first. Those are gonna be super fun. And then star chipboard stickers. I cannot get enough of stars. I love stars, and I love that there's black ones and white ones along with all of the colors of this kit. Last thing that I'm excited to show you is a pack of die cuts. So here is an I love you. There's some labels, flags. Oh, these are so adorable. I think definitely gonna use these a lot. This is so fun. Look at this cluster of hearts. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have so much fun with this. And then there's some single hearts, and you could put these together on your own or use them all separate. So much fun. XOXO, cute little tickets, more labels. Oh, I love labels. A little tag. Oh, and this cute little cutout of, you could punch all these little hearts out, and you could actually use this as a stencil when you finished punching all of the little hearts out. My number 1, black heart, flags, tags. Oh, this arrow is so fun. I love you more than all the stars. So much fun stuff happening in January in Elle Studios shop. So I hope you guys get a chance to head on over, grab the things that you've really been looking forward to, and you can use the links in the description to grab your stuff. Talk to you really soon, friends. Bye.